How you doing? My name is Miguel with Cafe Sevilla, and today we're going to be cooking our Gambas al Ajillo. Right here we got our ingredients. We have shrimp with marinated fresh herbs, garlic. We have white wine, lemon juice, salt and pepper, some sliced garlic, and some Chile de Arbol. All right, let's get started here. First, we want to warm up our pan, nice and hot. Add a little bit of our oil here. We want to start with our garlic. Get it nice and roasted there. Add our Chile de Arbol for the kick. Here we go with our shrimp. Salt and pepper. A little love to our dish. We want to add a little bit of our white wine to it so we can stop cooking the garlic so much. Get a nice sear on our shrimp. Add in the rest of our white wine. It can be glazed, pick up all our flavors. We don't want to overcook the shrimp. We want to leave some of the integrity, some of the crunchiness into the shrimp. Add our lemon juice, a little citrus, and some shine into our dish. And we are ready. Bowl. Set it up nicely. Some of that juice right on the side so you could enjoy it with a little bit of bread later. And there you go.